Okay, so I decided to come on and show you guys how to make that DIY bottle brush candle holder. You'll need this from Dollar Tree, a glue gun. I have some of this, it's like E6000, it's a knockoff brand. I think I got it on Temu. Works pretty good, like just like the E6000 really. So, because I want it to stay, I have an assortment. I have gold and silver glitter. It's kind of messy. You don't have to buy the glitter ones. I have this because I want to make sure this is a new candle from Bath and Body Works, and I want to make sure it's going to fit in here, so it does. All right, so what you're going to want to do is take off the tops of the ornaments, take off the bottom of these trees. Now, I thought I had to cut them off, but I don't. I pulled it off because I can't find my wire cutters. So it came right off when I pulled it. So these are going to be glued in here. Now, I've never made this before. I've seen a few videos on it, and I'm assuming that, yes, the glue, you'd have to glue this on the outer side. So you'd have to put it on the table. I have a silicone mat underneath, so I'm going to put a little hot glue. I think first I'm going to put a little bit of this kind of glue around the edge here, I just want to make sure it's going to stay on. So I'm just going to put a little bit around here, just to give you an idea of how to do that, and a little bit of the hot glue. And I'm going to put it on the mat that I have here so that I could tell. Let me show you. If you could see what I'm doing there. So it's going to go all the way around. And I decided to do every other one. Gold and silver and gold. All these glues, it's so hard to get these things to come out. I think I'm going to glue them to each other also. Put a little glue on the side. You have that dry for a second. And then on the trees, you want to do, you can do different colors. You want to do different heights, you know, for different variations. And luckily these pull out. And I'm going to do those last. Maybe I could save these little bottoms for something. But I just want to give you an idea here how it's looking so far. And I'm just going to continue to go all the way around. And I will be back, so I don't think you want to watch me glue all these on. Okay, so this is how it looks with the ornaments glued on. You want to have these top parts sticking straight up so that you can glue in the trees all the way around. Now I decided to let it dry probably overnight. I used a ton of glue because they weren't sticking unless I was being impatient. I don't know. And then this one, it didn't fit all the way around snugly. So they're glued to each other, which they're all glued to each other and the rim, but this one's not. So that's okay. I figured I can just, no one's going to really see that. I'll put that side towards the back, but it didn't fit in there. Of course, they don't show that on TikTok videos. But yeah, because these are the same glass candle holders, and these are the same ornaments. And I have a variation of trees, and when that dries, I'm going to glue the trees in there, and I'll show you how it looks. All right, everyone, I decided to not wait until the next morning, and this is what it looks like. It seems pretty solid. So then what the next step would be is to take off the bottoms. I just pulled off the round part, or the wood part, come right off. I went ahead and I put some E6000 on all of the tops, and I'm going to use some hot glue, and you're just going to randomly put in the trees. Of course you want them to stand up straight, so maybe I need more glue. And then I'm going to put, let's see, a silver one. I wonder if I have to do all of them. I guess I would, huh? Put a small, I want a silver one in the gold. Put a silver one in here. Are they going to stay? Yeah, that will be good. Pretty, pretty. So I'm going to go ahead, guys, and, well, let me just do one more. I want to make sure these are going to go stay straight. I don't want them being crooked. So I want to make sure they're drying straight. So far, that's what it looks like. Let's see, another gold. The green, silver, gold, green, silver. All right, you guys get the idea. I'm gonna go ahead and finish that and show you what it looks like. All right, guys, I finished it. I did leave the ornaments for a couple hours to dry. And then when I was done with that, I put in the trees and I made sure they all dried straight. Look at how pretty. I think it's very pretty. And then you put your candle in the middle. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? I love it. Love it, love it. I'm assuming it would be okay to burn. To make sure your trees don't catch on fire. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.